Hey guys, I'm Scott and I hope the day's treating you well. Last time we met, we looked at how to play the notes of a single key, but as you may have noticed, it sounded kind of thin. The single note sound can be made richer just by playing more notes at the same time. And if we choose the spacing of the notes, the intervals properly, we can introduce the idea of harmonies. Now singers have been using multi-part harmonies for a long period of time, and since we have 6 strings, theoretically we could play 6-part harmonies. However, we're going to start simple with just a 2-part harmony, and on the guitar that's what's known as a power chord. We're going to be using the root and the 5th note of the major key. If we're going to play it with a G as our root note, then we would play the D note along with it. A 3-part harmony then just uses 3 notes, that'd be the root, the 3rd, and the 5th, which if we keep with our idea of using the G, our G triad would be the G note, the B note, and the D note played together. If we were to choose each of the notes on the strings to be either a G, a B, or a D, we've made a chord that uses all 6 strings, even though some of the notes get repeated. Making chords from the notes of a scale is known as harmonizing that scale. And we can go further. We could add in the 7th interval or even the 9th interval and make 4-part harmonies out of our existing chords. I hope to see you in the next part of the series. Let me know in the comments if you're finding this interesting and useful. I'm Scott. See you next time.